have come over to a little quieter side. This showroom doors are closed now and everyone's out. It's a little bit quieter. And I wanted it to be a little bit quieter, a little bit more serene when we talk about the elegance of Christmas. And this first collection we're going to talk about is Midnight Clear. And as you know, Midnight Clear is not about Christmas. It's about Christmas Eve and it's about the birth. And so this is an elegant one. This is one that is kind of serious. The colors are sapphire and gold. You'll see a lot of sapphire and gold, very rich and elegant sapphire and gold. You will have a lot of glass ornaments. You'll have a lot of ornaments that are not glass, but look like they're glass. And you're going to have some gemstone ornaments here, and we're going to have some actual gems. This is our designer tree as we start out, and this is, you know, something that I've seen a lot of people walking in and they go, oh, this is a brilliant and rich blue. And I called it a sapphire blue because it really does have its own look to it. And you know, you're going to see a lot of glitter, a lot of light sharing, a lot of different reflection in this tree. And you know, the ornaments themselves, like we have one right here that is just a clear glass with the gold on it. See that right there? And we have the ribbons and the spiral ribbons with the glitter on them. But then we have these gold metal with the gemstones, actual gemstone flakes, snowflakes here. And then we have them also in the star. And so, you know, anytime you get actual gemstones lined in there, that's a very elegant ornament. But I fell in love with some of these drops. Look at this drop in this beautiful sapphire glass. Gorgeous one, and it has a pair, it has a mate. And the mate happens to be over here, and it has a little bit of point on the bottom. We have this gold Santa, and of course we have ribbons, and we have the gold stems, and we have the gold berries, and everything's going to follow along with that. But we also have these gold palms, and these are very thick. And then I was talking to someone else about this, and I said, you know, this is a fantastic piece to put into your tree. That they didn't do it, but you could have hung different crystals off of this as well. Just like you did this off the tree or off the stem, you could have done it right off the palm, because this is a very thick, nice